Hey there, this is Leo with rubberroofrepairkit.com, and in this video I want to show you how to do an emergency rubber roof repair in the winter using our kit. Okay, so let's begin. First thing we need to do is to clean this surface. So I'm gonna have two rags. One to wipe down the water, let it clean. Now you notice I have an umbrella here. This is because it's snowing a little bit. And later I'm gonna use a heat gun to warm up the rubber surface. Okay, so next we use cleaner. Now I have a big can, but you'll have a small one. And you clean this really nice and get all the dirt off. So I'm gonna turn on my heat gun and warm it up. Once this is all dry and clean, I'm gonna apply the patch. So while it's drying, I'm gonna prepare the patch. So this is just a small round hole, so we're gonna need 6 by 6 square. So when you have 10 feet, you can use either cut of the roll or use the patches. Then we'll trim the corners so the patch stays on better. Now this is dry. I'm gonna go around with heat gun, just dry it out, make it warm. You can use a regular heat gun or even maybe a hair dryer, just to make this dry. Okay, so it's dry. Let's put some more cleaner on it. Right? So let's put that screw in. One last clean. Alright, so now is the important step, and that is putting on the EPDM primer. Now I don't have a label on it, but this is primer. It's like your glue. So here's the can opening tool. I'm gonna open it. And then use this brush to apply it. So go beyond the size of your patch so it sticks better. Don't be greedy with it, you have plenty of the primer. And now the important part is to let it dry. Now to speed up the process, I'm going to use the heat gun because it's really cold right now. And it won't dry by itself very fast. Alright. If you feel that you need a little bit more, just apply a thin coat, because the more you put on, the longer it takes to dry. But also don't go thin coat, you need a pretty thick layer of the primer. And next, primer is applied. I think it's dry, but we're gonna do a test. So take your finger, put it in. If nothing sticks to a finger, you can apply the patch. Now we'll go in the center. Also good, not the primer doesn't stick to my finger. So now what we do is we release the backing, the paper backing, and you kind of center it on. Put it like that. Make sure you get all the water, all the air out. And slowly, like so. Actually, we got a little extra here, so we're gonna trim it. Slowly, just like so, release and get all the air out. And now use a silicone roller to roll in the patch. Alright, we're done with this hole, so let's move on to the next one.